This is the human skeleton. In the human body, skeleton consists of 206 bones. What is the function of human skeleton? It gives definite shape to the body. It gives protection to the important organs like brain, heart, lung and liver. Third, it gives definite posture to the body. Next, it helps in the locomotion and movement. Next, it stores calcium and phosphorus. Next, long bones like bones of hand and leg produces RBC and WBC inside it, as well as it is a storehouse of calcium and phosphorus. Okay, here human body skeleton is the most important structure. It gives definite shape to the body, structure to the body and posture to the body, helps in locomotion and movement. Then here human body is mainly the structure or behavior or color depends upon genetic makeup of each and every person. Genetic makeup, it depends upon the structure of chromosome and structure of DNA. That's why DNA is each and every person has a different DNA. That's why DNA fingerprinting test is most important confirmatory test used to search the disputed parentship and persons. Okay, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid of each and every person is different. And in the human body, how many chromosomes are there present in the body cell? 46 chromosomes are there, and each chromosome is made up of DNA, histone and non-histone proteins. These are invertebrate animal. These are some marine water animal. These are freshwater animal. These are the microscopes. This is a simple microscope. Magnification power is 10x. These are the compound microscope. Magnification power 10x and 45x. These are the some temporary slides of Mucker. Then here all the animals on the earth divided into unicellular, multicellular as well as invertebrate and vertebrate. Vertebrate animals are classified into Pisces, amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammals. Example of Pisces, fishes. Example, yes, labiofish is the best example of aquatic animal, Pisces. Then next, amphibian. Example, frog. These animals can live in the water as well as on the land. Then next, reptiles. Example, house lizard or calotus or snakes. These are the example of reptiles. Then aves. Best example, yes, pigeon. All other, peacock and yes, pigeon, peacock, parrot, sparrow. These are the example of birds. Then next, mammal. Example of mammal, human being. All human beings as well as bat, squirrel. These are examples of mammal. Then next, human reproduction. Reproduction in plants as well as reproduction in animals. Animal reproduction or reproductive system. Male reproductive system, production of sperm. Function of testis is production of sperm. Function of ovary, production of egg. After fertilization, there is the development of embryo. Here, excretory system, pair of kidney, pair of ureter, single urinary bladder and urethra. This is the structure of human eye. What is the function? Sense of vision. Structure of human ear. Function, sense of yes, sound. Sense of sound. External ear, middle ear, internal ear. These are the parts of human ear. Then human brain. Human brain is the most important organ because it is the master of body. It controls all the activities of body. Large brain, small brain. Large brain consists frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. Inside the here cortex and medulla. These are the parts of brain, and cavities of brain also filled with cerebral spinal fluid. Then next, small brain, that is the cerebellum. Large brain, that is called as cerebral. Cerebellum controls and coordinates the body. This is the cerebellum, small brain. And medulla oblongata is the most important center from where vital activities are controlled, like respiration, peristalsis, breathing. These are the vital activities controlled from this medulla oblongata. Injury to this region results in a death because all the vital activities controlled from here. Therefore, injury to this region results in a death. Medulla oblongata. Then spinal cord. Brain is most important structure. It collects the information from the body, decision taken here, and transfers that decision towards each and organ of the body. Therefore, control of the body, it depends upon the brain. Therefore, brain is called as master of brain, master of body. Then next part, that is the human heart. Human heart is a muscular pumping organ present in the chest, in the mid-acinum cavity, in between two lungs. Shape and size of heart is one's closed fist. Human heart consists four chambers. Upper two chambers called as auricle, lower two chambers are called as ventricle. It collects impure blood from the body and transfer that impure blood for oxygenation towards the lung, and collect the pure blood or oxygenated blood from the lungs and collect it to the again heart, and then pure blood supply to whole body. That means pumping of the blood is the main function of the human heart. Human heart continue their work from before birth. In the embryonic development, in the 4th month of 4th, there is a start. Yes, heartbeat gets started, and up to the death, that heartbeat continue. In a minute, human heart beats 72 times average, and per minute there is a 5 to 6 liter blood can flow inside the heart, through the heart. That means continuous working organ, most important organ, that is the human heart. Without rest, that heart can continue their work throughout our life. Then these are some floral plants. These are flowering plants are there. That is the jasmine is there, rose is there. Then here the structure on this blackboard, that is the internal structure of the human heart. Till then, today we see all the experiments of the physics here, then chemistry.